If you've always hated waking up early, I will make you rethink that again. One of the things that I constantly hear from so many people is, I'm not a morning person. But these same people want to live a fulfilled and bountiful life. They want to live a life full of purpose and meaning. In the yoga tradition, one of the times of the day that we take advantage of the most is the mornings. The mornings help us to reconnect with ourselves, to reconnect with our sense of purpose. Taking advantage of that quiet time in the morning will help you to orientate yourself and to give yourself that moment of pause so that you can go back out into your life and make the best decisions possible. At my yoga immersions in Costa Rica, one of the things that we do is we get up with the sun and meditate in the mornings. And everybody groans when I tell them how early it's going to be. And many of them know what time we're going to be waking up. And one thing I can tell you, every single person in my immersions comes up and says, thank you for giving me this special gift of waking up with the sun every day. Waking up with the sun gives you a new sense of perspective, a new refreshing outlook on life, and recharges you at a soulful level. I used to struggle so much with waking up early in the morning. As a typical teenager, I loved to sleep in, stay up late. But as I started to practice yoga, there's a few things that I started to find. As I got into doing my practice in the morning, one of the things that I discovered is nobody else is waking up early. So there was nobody else to bother me. Nobody else could be talking to me or asking me a million questions. I was all alone doing my physical practice and doing my meditation practice. Some of you might be thinking to yourself, where did that get you? Well, I have a yoga retreat center in Costa Rica. I'm very fortunate to be leading yoga teacher trainings, and all of that is because I stopped in the mornings, I took that time to listen, and then through my practice I was able to energize and motivate myself through that inspiration to go out to live and manifest my life purpose. Start practicing setting the alarm clock 15 minutes early every day. And then once you get used to that, set it another 15 minutes early. Keep doing that until you achieve the desired goal and time you want to wake up every morning. A lot of people hate waking up in the morning early, and there's a few reasons for that. But the very first reason I want to address is just the belief systems that we have. We have these intrinsic belief systems in our mind that are so deep. One of them is, I am going to be a real bitch if I wake up early. I need my sleep. I need to have X amount of sleep every day. We have these intrinsic beliefs in our mind, and I'm going to just say that they're debilitating beliefs. So the very first place to start is look and examine your limiting beliefs. How many limiting beliefs do you have? What are your beliefs around sleep? Do you really want to hold on to them? Are those beliefs helping you to manifest and live your life purpose? So look to your limiting beliefs. Another reason why people hate waking up early, and I completely relate to this, is by feeling stiff in the morning. We wake up and our bodies are stiff, and the last thing we want to do is any form of movement or exercise. And yet, what you can do is start to do some muscle activations in the morning. The muscle activations don't require any form of stretching or intense movement. You just drop down to the floor and start moving your body into these isometric contractions and do them for very small amount of times. You just do a little bit, but these muscle activation practices are going to start motivating you. Another reason why people hate waking up early is because they say that they don't have time. Well, if you wake up early, you can decide to create as much time as you want. You can set the clock and add any extra time to your day. Can you imagine, like, if you added 30 minutes extra to your day every day, how much more you could accomplish, how much more time you could spend with yourself to reclaim that part of yourself, waking up in the morning can give that to you. So there are so many benefits to waking up early. The first one is mental clarity. Waking up early in the morning and having that special time with yourself can create mental clarity. My teacher, Eric Schiffman, once said, "Why should you meditate?" And his answer was so simple and so profound. He said, meditate so you can make better decisions in your life. If you're gonna have to make a big decision that day, and you never know sometimes what decisions you're gonna have to face, but those decisions are going to project and change the trajectory of your life. Waking up early and having that time with yourself also reduces stress and anxiety. And our final benefit is an enhanced mood. By being able to spend some time with yourself in the morning, by doing some gentle movements, some muscle activation practices, you're going to start feeling better about yourself. You're going to feel more at home within yourself and feel like you're in your body. Through these three benefits, you're going to notice so many things beginning to change in your life. You're going to accomplish so much more. So by waking up early and having that important time with yourself, you're able to go back into your life and actually increase your productivity. And one of the other most important things you're going to notice is that your actual sleep improves because you're waking up early and you wake up and cultivate that focus of mind. By the time you're ready to go to bed, your body knows it's time to rest, partly because you know you're going to wake up early, but also because you've had a full and enriching day. So who wouldn't want all of these things, right? All of these attributes will add to your life. It'll add meaning. It will add purpose. And more importantly, it'll add clarity and focus to manifesting and living your best life. So one of the hacks that I used to start waking up early was just simply waking up 15 minutes earlier every day. So if I woke up every day at like say 8 o'clock, then I would set my alarm for 7:45. As I got used to that, I set my alarm for 7:30, and I kept doing that until I got to around 5:30 every morning. So every morning now, I don't even need my alarm clock. I just wake up at 5 o'clock. I would strongly recommend using the yogic techniques as part of your morning routine. I also have a morning routine practice, which we'll put in the comment section below for you to take advantage of. Yoga is an incredible option of exercise and movement in the morning. I strongly recommend it. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video below. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can receive notifications every time we start to drop new content.